After enjoying your favorite fruit or vegetable, usually the scraps just make their way to the compost. But right here, we'll show you 5 creative ways to use your produce scraps. Number 5. Potatoes. Do you peel your potatoes and just throw away the scraps? Why not throw them on a baking sheet for 10 to 20 minutes, add your favorite spices, and voila, you have crispy, homemade potato chips. Number 4. Lemons. Lemon peels are an effective cleaning tool. Using the inside of a lemon, scrub your kitchen sink, faucet, and taps. Then bring it to the bathroom and do the same there. Lemon peels are exceptionally useful scrubbing out a cat's litter box. Just make sure to rinse thoroughly after letting it sit on any surface for 5 minutes. Adding lemon peels to your kettle will help remove any mineral buildup. Just add some lemon peels in your kettle, bring the water to a boil, and allow it to cool down completely before dumping out and rinsing the kettle for a sparkling new shine. Number 3. Avocados. Avocado peels usually become the vessel for the pit before you throw them in the compost. But sitting right there the whole time is a facial scrub and moisturizer. Just flip it inside out, apply on your face, and let it sit for 30 minutes while you watch your favorite YouTube channel. Rinse well and enjoy the rejuvenating effects. Number 2. Bananas. Banana peels should no longer be discarded as they are a great source of potassium. Don't worry, you're not going to be eating them. They're the perfect food for your rose garden. Simply bury them 1.5 inches below the surface and watch your roses thrive. Along with a nutrient boost, your roses will benefit from increased disease protection. Number 1. Oranges. After enjoying a nice light snack, why not use that orange peel to help whiten your teeth? Simply take the inside of the peel and rub it against your teeth. Let it sit for 3 minutes before you start rinsing out your mouth. Swirl water in your mouth for at least a minute, then rinse to make sure there's no acidity left on your teeth. Be sure to not brush your teeth, as this has weakened the enamel of your teeth. You need to give it a few hours to harden up before brushing. Which one of these tips was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and have a great day.